So you testified you witnessed every single one of these signatures, right?
Yes.
But that's not true, is it?
What is not true?
That is not true. You did not witness every one of these signatures, did you?
What do you mean by I did witness means what do you have?
Did you see every single one of the individuals in Exhibit 14 sign their name, print their name, and print their address on this petition form?
So that's what I'm telling you. If there's Exhibit 14, there is a page with there's Ms. Gaglani, who took some signatures for me, and I was there with her. That's what the question is.
So tell us about that. You were with Rupa Gaglani, correct? And where were you? You were outside of the Vaid's home?
Yes. No, with this outside of this happened to a store.
You just testified to the court that you went to every one of these people's homes.
No, so everyone means, I know you are an attorney, so you know this better than me. You are trying to, this particular person, we went to a store to get the signature.
Well, which one is it, Mr. Mathan? You
Eden
testified just 2 minutes ago.
But
You
no,
just
I didn't know,
sir,
I
let me
didn't know
finish
all
my
the
question.
names. I didn't know that all the names are there. I'm looking at it now. If you tell me one by one, I'll tell you.
You understand you're here before a court, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you understand you've been sworn to tell the truth, correct?
Yeah, I am, but sir, you are trying to put a pressure to me. You ask me one by one. You're asking me random questions. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not trained to do this. So please ask me one by one, and sir, I'll tell you. Please
Sir,
don't make it
I'm
confusing.
trying to understand why so many people, but let's talk about your friends. You said that you have very, very good friends, correct? That signed this petition, correct? Your best friends, you call them, right?
I call them my best friends.
Are they honest people, your best friends?
I guess so.
They are?
I thought so.
Well,
I think so. Everybody's honest, sir.
why would all of these people that are your friends who are honest say that they were confused or that you made misrepresentations to them when collecting these petition signatures? They have said that under oath. Why would they say that?
Because somebody, I guess, forced them to do that.
So that's your answer. It's not that you had a mistake, it's that somebody must have forced them to sign a paper?
What kind of mistake is I don't understand. They had signed it. Why would they sign anything blank for me is my thing. They would not. They are not my such good friends or my family members. I call them best friend, but they would not say anything blank for me. I don't think anybody would do that for me.
But that's not true.
But my whole family would do that.
You yourself on page 3 have admitted people signed this page even though it was blank, correct?
Which one?
Page 3 of 4 in Plaintiff's Exhibit 14. Isn't that blank?
This page is not blank. So page 3 and 4, yes.
Right? That is blank, correct?
Yes.
So people signed that page, correct?
If they signed this page, yes, for sure. No,
Okay.
Because
So people that support you signed a blank page, correct?
not everybody.
I'm asking about these people on page 3 of 4.
Yeah, they signed for
They signed it because they support you, isn't that right?
Yeah, they support me.
Right, but they don't support the other people, do they?
No, they do because I've been talking to them. That they support my
I'll withdraw
people.
that question.
Yeah, it's not clear.
Yeah, I'll withdraw the question. Why would people that are your friends say that they were willing to sign for you but not for other people?
I fail to understand that myself, and I haven't gone back to ask them why did they do this to me.
You think they're doing it to you?
I don't know.
And you said that you were outside everybody's home, but now you're saying that you were somewhere else with Rupa Gaglani, correct?
Only one place, one person.
Why didn't you just have Rupa Gaglani sign a circulator affidavit?
For this particular thing, maybe my I thought I was collecting it myself, so she would have signed it if I'd asked her to. But
You've run for office before, correct?
yeah,
You understand what the petition process is, correct?
definitely.
You collect signatures, correct? And if you collect the signatures, you have to sign that affidavit, correct?
Objection. Your Honor, I don't want to make an objection in front of the witness with regard to arguing points of law with Mr. Parikh, but I disagree with the legal underpinning of his question, and I'm happy to have a longer discourse outside the presence of the witness, but I put that objection on the record.
Do we need this answer?
No, I'll withdraw the question.